Saturday, 12th December 2020, Aaron Farm International on this millennium. Contact 666 1 for the call free. So to great situation, Senator Supernatural, this millennium. Appointment number go people. With agreement 666 1 for the call free. 666 Kingdom Centurion, approved by Contact Analysis Trust International early in 2018. On this mobile recording, on friends about Ellen family on interest for national 666 on this lane. Ellen family ambassador. Protocol, Global, Aaron Farm Consistency, and continue to claim ownership access to this moment living. Authority Supra International, Telekinetic Telepathic Trust, Aaron Friendship Team, Define any situation, healing commanding goods and grace. Suspect local domestic country about this millennium terror. Let's go to Aaron Farm. Contact Aaron Farm International to about 666 in Syria. Agreement. You want to this car for me. Let's do the rest of the car historical. The religion. Ellen Farm also accepts Centurion strategy. Our also Doricita. First beginning of Buddha in the world. Basically Ellen Farm appointment machine world. Century to century. So Ellen Farm in particular. The South Aaron Farming Authority, leadership, really strong. Contact Aaron Farm International, actual leader, for meaning Bodhicitta, junior prophet, century to century, from Asia, but also Isa Almasya, Tunisia Christian. As to Islam, our journey of appointment number for evil 666. Vertical and about first beginning of King Satya. Context that the explanation more on this moment millennium conference. To Aaron Farm Contact Shot after this moment recording to so clear. Contact students on this moment day lane. You want to this conference or is approved by Aaron Farm International for subject to 666 century to century. Make also on this moment for introduce American story call 666 Islam 666 Islam to Bodhicitta. Bodhicitta or about a split explanation word that since we are before about Islam the kingdom is 666. Islam historical journey of prophet. Religions and conspirations. Basically, Ellen Farm's appointment reject developing a human civilization for Ellen Farm starts leader of interparallel world at Tikika. Buddha first beginning, or meaning also about Bodhicitta. Actually, Islam meaning also about theta. For explanation, 666 century to century. Definitive, a truth, honesty by evidence of healing, three Buddha for spirit, alien amateur, futuristic, conform, the truth, millennium to 666 from college company, 666 ICBM, 666 Islam, 666 FIFA, 666 Kingdom, and also 666 Bodhicitta. First beginning of Buddha, century to century. Contextual and foundness now want to introduce to that on this modern millennium, the precondition appointment to generalization. And found one real need human conflict from this millennium, which we saw. About Ellen farming, existence said national county money logo, 666, century to century, which we saw. Ellen farming was declared status exceeds as government in the planet, national Ethereum galaxies. So conditions by ambassador, so now we go vivo. National county money logo, 666, only new, 6 Contextual and foundness now will be recognized for this condition, this phenomena, only consideration among the attention, special, local, country. By support, people's exchange, contact body telecommunication, actually about human ethnic extremes local, commanding goods and goods, and now religion for a non-people for coup d'etat for the true religions on this lady. Status of God, or meaning also about satanic healing, only complete by a following mark of this to 666 Bodhicitta. On this normal recording, one introduced as a relation chronic protocol to first beginning of Buddha in the world. 666 to Bodhicitta. On this moment millennium, approved by Alien Farm itself, contextual Alien Farm one status self-official consort, self-committee independence for Resistance Project, 666 Bodhicitta. 666 Islam, 666 Long Discovery meaning action. The only case to control and anomaly, place perspective in commanding goes in gate, and now religion, costumes, ethnic, local, in commanding goes in gate. It goes about icon religions, local domicile, and now, and also about national Yahweh, and continent to continent, as their constitution friendship, syndicate, attempts on international. Ellen Farmer had to choose for the Permanent Realization Project, National 666, because also on this lane, the 3666 century to century already arrived and approved by clearing the name RD666 Bodhicitta 666 is 1 point stop in contextual Ellen Farm International, actually friendship country, and just for one country, and one self-independence committee for the payments in countries on this lane. Reforms the condition already began since years before 666 Bodhicitta about national UEFA, states, funds to countries, Europe and America and Arab Israel. Think also about Alan Francis human conversation about reform phenomena supernatural, satanic human, code human not commanding goods to engage, code millennium. About conversation also about reform number called evil, the 2666 century in same time. 666 Bodhicitta. First beginning of Buddha, contact, confirm, the confirmation, the proof to Alien Far International after this Mormon conference internet recording. Alien Far International only contract to Asia and saying basically this experience people phenomena supernatural contact body telecommunication. Actually, I want to start with first beginning or step to appointment alien scientific experience on this lane. Authority Supra International renders coincidence, enemy, satanic human, or human commanding goods from Greece. Local customs, ethnic, and only proof since 2008 until this year 2020 by a call to Popular Internet 666 Bodhicitta. 666 one can discuss really introduced on this momentarily about status century actually first beginning about name Bodhicitta. Alien Far International contact about declaration Alien Far status national 666 potential on this moment lane. Alien Far want to consider for the momentum on this lane. It goes about Internet Global as actually status ambassador. Alien ownership asset actually Alien Southhead chairman since first beginning at Ethernet or Internet. Alien Far International appointment self-enterprise security auditor condition to popular introduced on this norm lane by 666 Bodhicitta. 666 one on this company. National Internet Alien Farming about digital money and also futuristic Internet Global. Alien Farming National Authority. It has money logo. Futuristic by 666. Alien Farming given with 666 Bodhicitta. 666 wrong on this company. Contextual and countries now actually already introduced self to countries in years before 666 Bodhicitta. 666 wrong on this company to Asia and also Arab Israel and then also Europe or Europa and America on this day. Alien Far International preparing self-committee for Independence Day, Alien Far ownership ambassador, national country among human countries to feature on millennium and planet Earth. It calls my logo 666 or introduced the condition for popular on this moment 2020 by Internet Global ID 666 Bodhicitta. 666 wrong police company actually. Contextual and International status leader of the national Bodhicitta Appointments in countries, so national, Ethereum Galaxy. Our alien planetary, so promote status government in the planet. We also about geographic planet Mars. Alien farming on authority for developing a living planet named to planet Mars. Contact Alien Farm International, owner of the 2666 century to century, only complete appointment to this lady with 666 Voicita. First beginning of Buddha century to century actually. 666 Kingdom, 666 Kaisa, 666 Islam, actually 666 HDM. 666 is one concept afternoon. Definitive starts alien constitution, tribute Holy Spirit, the name alien Emerson Commandant National UFO. Contact on this millennium, Internet Global, Alien Farm Interest for futuristic model, Cyber World Geography, Ethernet or Internet. One direction digital money, futuristic, confession together, common national, money logo 666, Alien Farm Honesty, agreement through 666 century, honesty by Alien Emerson, 666 Voicita. The beginning of Buddha in the world, but also a journey of Isa and Matra, the nature of Christianity, and also about Islam, and kingdom also. Alien Farm International, one declared, South 666 century, with Alien Farm code for check money logo among human countries, with momentum potential to this millennium, this is on planet Earth. 666 one for the star community. Alien Farm of Islam sponsor self. Because of what national UFO. Status one director's office for the listing of project. Alien Farm International. Contact Francis Unit. Continue progresses to his Mormon 666 for the Cheetah. 666 one for the star community. To Internet Global, people can search ID 666 for Ishita, or 666 ICDM actually. There's also Google, and also Pinterest, and also video to YouTube, and Facebook, and WordPress. Alien Farm contact share actually status include for head chairman of Internet Global on this page. And continue to claim the ownership or remark again for the game Internet Global ownership Ethernet C60 to Alien Farming. By this moment appointment 666 century I will complete the agreement 666 local staffing 666 body car. Speak on historic car. The word for scaling century to century, ICDN, the kingdom, in Seika, and also Islam, so also about 40 people. First beginning of Buddha in the world. And for authority for government, civilization to freedom, appointment of national, of money logo, our human countries is Islam. 666 for the discovery, 666 for the Shita. Want to say thank you very much, International Millennium Countries. For more explanation, contact Professor 666, the Circular Contribution Internet, 666 Islam. Actually, to Alien Farm International. Arab Israel. Also Europe and Asia and also America. Texting available and actually on connection trust on the
International. Thank you very much, and you again on my next internet. 666 1 call for you, and final policies for agents and consideration continue to this one. Now, I need to report the credit that the state needs in all county my logo, and on Kingdom County. Single logo 666 or now I told you. Origin is 666 even point call for you. 666 original. The beginning of Buddha in the world. Mahabodhi or Hindu Satya. You did.
Saturday, 12th December 2020, Aaron Farm International on this lane, contact 666 1 for the call free. So to great situation, phenomenon super wrong, this lane, a poem anomaly for people, with agreement 666 1 for the call free. 666 Kingdom Centurion, approved by Contact Already Trust International Army, early in 2016. On this normal recording, on friends about Ellen Farming on interest for national 666 on this lane. Ellen Farm Ambassador Protocol Global Aaron Farm Consistency and continue to claim ownership access to this moment lane. Authority Sutra International Telekinetic Telepathy Trust Aaron Consistency define any situation healing commanding goods and great suspect local domestic country about this millennium terror. Let's go to Aaron Farm. Contact Aaron Farm International